Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today has come the day where I'm going to rectify the big mistake I made. I don't know if you have anyone seen my short where I showed that I made the mistake on the bed where it was too high and I couldn't sit in it. Anyway, I'll show you what the problem is. So that's the problem. I made a huge mistake when I got my fridge and I put the fridge under the bed, and I had to heighten the bed to get the fridge under. Well, for me, I can't live like this. It's no good to man the dog, that. So what I've done, I've got new units and everything, and I'm going to rip everything out and start again. I know people have been saying get a new mattress, just thinner mattress and all that, but I'm just going to rip it all out and start again, and I'll show you on the journey what we do. So you know me, I don't like spending loads of money, so I've tried to do it at a good budget, and I think I really have done it at a good budget. The bits I've got and everything, I've built them in my mum's garage, so they're all built ready to go. I just hope I've got the measurements and everything right. So I've pre-built them all, so now what I need to do is just rip all this out. I'm going to keep everything in case I do change it back or need any bits like it, but I've got all the new units and everything that I've built and modified and everything like that, so they should all just go in. So I've got to rip everything out, lower the bed and put my new units and everything in. So we'll see how we go. Hopefully my measurements, like I've just said, are right, and it all fits in. But like I said, you don't, on my videos before, you don't need to spend a load of money, which I think them units look bang on, but I've not spent much money whatsoever. So I'll show you what the crack is. So just as a last view, that's what the van looks like now, just so you can get the view of it. See, that bed's quite high, like, but yeah, that bed's coming out, getting lowered, all the units coming out, so I'll show you when we're on our way. Right, well, pretty much everything's out. Just need to give it a bit tidy up. It's surprising how much crap gets like underneath everything, so I'm just giving it a good old brush out. This vinyl, it's quite new actually, the vinyl, but I don't need under there because it's under the bed, so that's fine. Like, so we'll give it a good clean up, and then start fitting all the new stuff, I think. So we'll bring you back in a minute. So that's what I've made in my dad's garage. That's my little shelf for the side. I fabricate that on there, vinyl wrap on the top. There's my unit, there's my box, and in the box here's my fridge. So that's where it's getting rid of from under the bed. So that's what I've been making, so hopefully the measurements are right and it'll all fit in right. So let's get it put in. So we've got the two units in so far. That's the toilet there. We've got the two units in. I've got my diesel heater coming through there, and I'll show you. So diesel heater comes through the back of there, through the diesel heater, through the pipe, through that middle bit. I've got my power station in there and the power unit there from the solar. So yeah, there's the bit up the top for the little power USBs and all that. But I've got to fit the fridge, the top there, and then get that power unit fitted somewhere with the USBs and everything in. So, but yeah, I think I'm liking it so far. So keep watching and we'll get the rest in. So I've got the units in the fridge and everything in now, but I made a bit of a balls up because the fridge there, the fridge is inside of it, but when I put the unit on to fasten it down, I wanted to fasten it from inside at the top, but there was no way of taking the fridge out, and I'd put the screws in and glued it all, and I had to take the screws out, break the glue off and pull the front off there, take the fridge out, then fasten it down. And also this bit here was a bit tall, so I couldn't I can't even get into it. Yeah, that's better there. I was at the funny angle, but I couldn't get that lifted up to get into the fridge, so I've had to modify that a bit as well. So the measurements weren't that great for that bit anyway, because I had to make that, this was across there, so I've had to cut that bit out and make that circle a bit bigger so I can get in to open that up. But anyway, all that's in now. I've put my little USB and everything station down there to plug all that in, and the diesel here, and everything's coming along. I'm not sure about that cooker yet. I don't know if I'm keeping that now or not, because I don't really like the pipe at the side there, that side. It would be better if it was at that side, but I don't know what to do with that yet, so I'm just going to leave that for now. So we're just going to get the bed in and go from there. So yeah, I'll bring you back in a bit. So we've got the bed back in now. That was a bit of a mess on, so I had to take all the extra bits I put in to make it high, obviously, when I had the fridge underneath. But yeah, that's the bed back in. So hopefully once we get the mattress in, it's going to be the right height. Hopefully, that is. So yeah, we'll get the mattress in and see what happens. Well, got the mattress, the bed and the mattress and everything in now, and I've done it so I've got about an inch up height. I could have had it a little bit lower, but like the garage in the back, I want to make sure I can get all my like tools and such things, and guard, like seating things and everything like that in the back. So I've put it up, back up a little tad, but I've got about an inch there, which is fine. I can bounce about all like that. It's all right. So that'll do. So it's all coming together now. I've moved the TV round. I've moved the TV round there now, so the TV's on that side. So we actually sleep at the top end now, which is better, I thought, because when you're getting your legs out, the toilet's there, you're not putting your feet onto the toilet. So now you're getting out of bed the right way. So yeah, that's all right now. Look at that, lovely. No more breaking my neck on the morning or the night when I'm sat here. So yeah, I'm happy with that now. So now we've just got to pretty much get everything back in, all the bedding on, everything, all the knickknacks back in, all the stuff in my garage under the back, and we're pretty much done. So yeah, it's looking nice. I'm quite happy with it actually. Everything went in, apart from we had the problems with the fridge bit, so I've had to redo that board like I said earlier. But everything else all went to plan, so I'm really happy, to be fair. So yeah, let's get the bedding in and all the knickknacks back in the back, and then we'll get finished off. I'll see you in a bit. So that's it from the back. TV on that side, unit and everything, where the fridge has gone. So we're sleeping at this end now. So there's the garage under the back. I've lifted it up a little bit more for underneath there, so we've got a bit more room in there now. But yeah, I've got all that room under there to put all my stuff under. But yeah, that's like, well, it's not all the stuff that's going back in, but that's pretty much everything, all the stuff that I need. But yeah, all we're planning on doing now is I'll show you, we're going to make a cushion to go on the top of there, on the top of the toilet. So a little square cushion, we're going to make a little cushion on there so we can sit on there and watch TV when I'm not like on the bed, do you know what I mean? So I don't have to sit on the bed all the time. But yeah, I know it's a toilet, but it's clean enough out there. little cushion on the top, ideal. So yeah, that's just pretty much getting sorted, so we'll see you in a bit. So we've pretty much finished it now. Well, it's been pretty much all done. So I've got a few little bits and pieces left on the bed there. But yeah, the only thing I think I'm going to change is that table there. Previous on the video you can see me taking the red one off. I'm going to put that red one on there, I think. So anyway, we'll jump inside, put these lights on. So yeah, there you go. Fridge in there, all nice. There you go, fridge, easy to get to. Toilet there, like I said before, I'm going to put a cushion on there so it's a bit more comfortable. My USB unit and diesel heater programmer thing there, and my cooker, but I don't know if I'm going to keep that due to the cable, well, the pipe at the other side. I don't know if I like that or not. The TV on that wall now. So yeah, looking all good. I think it's come together quite well. I'm really happy with it. But anyway, I'll just shut this door, turn these lights out. Just want to show you the lights under the cabinet thing. Thanks to Stuart donating them. Yeah, he's got a camper van. It's absolutely lovely. I love his van. But yeah, it's he donated them. He said I can have them. I was on about it to him and I said I was going to put them, and he said, oh, I've got some of them. So brilliant. Cheers, mate, for that. It saved me some money. So yeah, anyway, so that's all the build pretty much done. I'd like to thank my girlfriend Victoria. She's helped loads actually. She's never stopped, bless her. So yeah, my dad helped me a little bit with that box when I messed it up. So yeah, brilliant. But yeah, so what we're going to do now is going to leave that here now, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care, and I'll see you later.